Dear student, welcome to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. I am also fine. This is Shivli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is assignment 1. It is your first assignment, student, that is based on chapter 1. So student, let's get started our today's topic. Student, it is your first assignment number 1, subject home science, class 6. Assignment, assign tasks or assessment criteria for class 6 on the basis of the reclassified syllabus for the academic session of 2021 due to COVID-19 situation. So it is your first assignment. Now come to the point. First, unit and title of the lesson. Student, chapter 1, preliminary concept of home and home environment. That means this assignment is all about chapter 1, preliminary concept of home and home environment. Now come to the point 2, lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, home and home environment. Lesson 2, internal space arrangement at home. Lesson 3, keeping and preserving necessary articles at proper places. Lesson 4, root of trees in protecting home environment and improving the decoration. That means all these lessons are from chapter 1. That means you have to prepare your first assignment based on this first chapter, preliminary concept of home and home environment. Now come to the main point. It is your assignment and assigned task. Now I am showing you how to write your assignment, how to prepare your assignment. Now I will give you some idea about it. Write the names. Number 1. Here are given 2 questions. You have to write these questions. Number 1. Write the names of different parts of your home environment. Number 1. At first you have to write the names of different parts of your home environment. At first you have to write some idea about home or home environment in brief. So what do you know about home and home environment? You have to write at first in brief something about home and home environment. Then you will give different parts of your home environment. Then you have to give different parts of your home environment. At first, like this, you can write home environment. Then you have to write something about home environment. Then you have to write some parts of your different parts of your home environment. Student, we know that home is a place where we live in, and home is every child's first environmental place, and and it includes all internal and external parts of home. So student, here are different parts in your home. That means for example, veranda, different rooms, dining room, bedroom, kitchen, study room, bathroom, and courtyard, roof, etc. So you have to write serially. Number 2, arrange in a table the internal spaces of the house mentioned below and mention what activities are performed by your family members in those places. Here are given some places name: bedroom, drawing room, kitchen, dining room, study room, and bathroom. So first you have to make a table like this when you will prepare your assignment. The layout of the various spaces in the interior of the house. So student, you know that different types of rooms and different types of interior of our house can be divided into 3 groups. That means formal space, informal space, and working space. So from the above list you have to mention it. the name of the internal space of the house. So here you have to write bedroom, drawing room, kitchen, dining room, study room and bathroom. Here are given 6 rooms, and you have to identify what places are included in formal spaces and what places are informal space and what places are working space, and performed work. And here are given another column. You have to write what activities are performed by your family members in those places. At first you will give some definition. You will give definition of formal space, informal space, working place. Then you will write, and for example you can write formal space. That means what is formal space? You can write the definition of formal spaces. Formal spaces where different types of formalities are performed. So you have to write the definition of formal spaces. Then informal space. Informal spaces, that means where different types of informal activities are done. Working spaces, various types of work are done. So for example, formal spaces, that means formalities maintained. Formalities are maintained here. So bedroom, drawing room, you have to write here. Okay. And performed work, you have to write here different types of activities that are performed by your family members in your in those places. Now instructions. Student, again I am telling this table again. I have to make a table like this, okay, that are given in your assignment task. So instructions, here are given some instructions that are applicable for the teachers. No need to write this. Next point, assessment criteria. That means if you want to get excellent comments, you have to follow these rules. That means 1, if you are able to write the names of all parts of the home environment correctly. Number 2, you are able to arrange the internal spaces of the house properly. Number 3, if you are able to identify all the work done in the internal space of the house. Number 4, you are able to work consistently according to the stage. And number 5, you are able to give a noticeable level of individuality and creativity in writing. And number 6, spelling and syntax remain correct, you will get excellent comments. So student, if you want to get these excellent comments, you have to follow these rules, follow this criteria. And at the same way, for this points you will get very good. At the same way, good. And need to progress if you are not able to write the names of different parts of the home environment, and you are not able to arrange the internal spaces of the house properly, and you are not able to identify the work performed in the internal space of the house, and you are not being able to work consistently according to the stage, and if there is lack of individuality and creativity in writing, and spelling and syntax remain partially correct, you will get this remark. Okay, need to progress. So I hope there is no student who wants to get this remark. Now come to the next point. Here is a given my mobile number and names. If you need any help, and if you face any problem, you can contact with me. So student, I will try my best to solve this problem. So your submission date, assignment submission date will be 13th April 2021. Hope you have understood our today's topic, how to write an assignment. Student, you will get your assignment format from the you will collect it from your school, and at the place of topic, you have to write your topic's name. Student, your topic name will be chapter 1. Preliminary concept of preliminary concept of home and home environment. Chapter 1, preliminary concept of home and home environment. It will be your topics names, and you have to fill up your cover page, write your name, roll number and necessary things that you need to write. Student, at first you have to read your textbook very carefully and attentively, and after reading it you have to gather some knowledge and idea about the topic, and you have to write, then you have to write, after that you have to write your assignment. So student, you must have diversity in your presentation, and you must show your creativity and individuality in your writing. Don't follow others' copy and don't follow from all the things from books. So student, that's all for today. Thank you all of you.